Welcome to SEO Basics. The great thing about creating value-packed content online is that not only are you creating content that will attract new followers and leads, but you are also building a better presence online which will let search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing bring you leads when people search for solutions you provide. When we create content online, we are doing two things. One, and most importantly, we are connecting with potential clients, bringing them value. And two, we are creating content that will help create a more relevant presence online through organic SEO. So let's quickly go over what SEO is. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. When people have questions and go online, they typically go to a search engine like Google, Yahoo, or Bing. Depending on what they type in, called keywords, the search engines will gather the most relevant content and present it to the visitor. Our job as a business is to create a presence online that will make us more relevant than our competitors. This way, when someone is searching for a solution you provide, you will naturally rank higher than your competitor. The easiest way to do this is to include keywords in your content that associate with your brand. There are companies dedicated to figuring out how to better rank on search engines, but I want to show you simple things you can do yourself to boost your SEO for free. Each search engine is a little different, and there are ways to improve your ranking on each one, but each piece of content you publish has three areas to fill in information. First is the title of your video, which should be compelling to pique interest to watch. The description area is where you can add in more information like keywords, and some other information like hashtags, other pages involved, and a call to action link to a landing page. The tags. This is metadata that'll help search engines categorize your content. So I want to include words and phrases that are relevant to the content and my brand. This way, if someone's search includes one or more of my keywords, it'll be more likely to show up. Over time, as you build a library of content that relates to your brand, search engines will recognize that and will value your brand over others who are not posting high quality, consistent content. There are tools out there to measure how your brand is performing when searching for specific keywords and phrases, and eventually you will want to create ads that attract specific keywords. But until then, I advise that you start with what's free, which is creating valuable content to organically build your audience. Do not spend any money on ads until you know exactly what you're looking for. At that point, I would recommend to consult with an ad agency to maximize performance. The important takeaway from this lesson is that adding additional data to your videos will benefit your SEO efforts for free. In the next lesson, we'll talk about where you should be posting your videos.